What's up, everybody, and welcome. This is another episode of the Daily Egg, where I've been winterizing the car since we're in the winter right now, and I'm going to install a set of mud flaps onto the car. No reason being, otherwise I'm just curious, and I wanted to grab some OEM parts while they're still available. I made a recent video where I installed a set of wheel liners from eBay because there's no more OEM parts for the wheel liners. But on these, I have no problem if they're going to fit, but I'm just curious what they're going to look like in my winterizing of the car. And I figured y'all would be interested and get a little bit of an A to B comparison before and after. So yeah, let's get outside, try them out, and see how they look. Okay, one of the beauties of OEM parts is OEM hardware and instructions. Look at that, 1993, before some of y'all were born. Only reason I brought some of my extra screws is because I need one that actually allows me to get a wrench on it, and I'll explain why a bit later. Okay, so in the rear, it's real simple. There's only 3 bolts. 1, 2, and 1 way back there. You can see the hole by the muffler. Okay, so the reason I'm not including this OEM bolt here, screw, is because it's so long and the space in here is so tight, I have to take the wheel off. So, because I'm lazy, I don't want to do all that. That's the reason I'm using this bolt right here.